I start in Blender by creating and sculpting a blocky mesh of a rock. The goal here isn't to add fine details, but to establish the overall silhouette and primary shape of the boulder. Once that's done, I export the mesh as an FBX file. In Houdini, I import it using a file node. Because Blender and Houdini use different unit scales, I need to scale the mesh down by a factor of 100. And before diving into detailing, I prepare the rock by introducing some procedural adjustments. First, I use a remesh to grid node to generate clean topology, making the geometry easier to work with. Next, I add surface variation using a mountain node. However, since the mountain node displaces vertices along their normals, rougher areas of the mesh can produce unwanted artifacts. To fix this, I insert normal node before the mountain node, then blur the normals with the large value. This moves the direction of displacement, resulting in a much more stable noise. With this setup, I can now fine-tune the noise to achieve the details I want. I usually prefer the Worley cellular noise type, which produces sharp angular edges well suited for rocks. I adjust the amplitude to control intensity and tweak the warp setting to avoid overly straight lines in the noise pattern. Since I'm aiming for a stylized look, I also apply the Labs Sharpen node. This enhances the edges, giving the rock a sharper, more stylized appearance. At this point, the base mesh is ready and I can move on to the fracture tool to add natural breakups and further detailing.